Hello everyone. In this video we will learn how to use index match function in MS Excel. Okay, the index and match function is a powerful function which is used, it is also called dynamic filtering. Okay, it is used for lookup to find the value, to look up for the value in a single table or multiple sheets. Okay, you can search using this index and match function based on specific or multiple conditions. Okay, so it is used for dynamic filtering to filter the data to look up for the value. So now let's how to use it. For example, we would like to find data based on ID. Okay, whenever we select an ID, we should find the name, department and monthly salary of that employee. Okay, so for that, first of all, I will list the IDs of the employees. Okay, so to list them, we will move to the data tab and come here to the data validation. After data validation, here we will select list, then we will select our data here. Let's select our data, press OK. So this is our data that we have right now. Okay, we have the list of IDs. Now let's write our index and match function. So let's write equal to index, first of all, open it, then we will select our data. Okay, this is our data. So let's make it absolute path. Okay, so F4, press F4, that has changed to absolute path. Now comma, then we will use match function. So for the match function, now lookup value. Okay, first of all we will select our ID. Okay, this one, C4 cell, this one, this is our lookup value, and make it absolute also. Let's press F4. Okay, then comma, then our lookup array. Okay, our lookup array is ID. Okay, we will select this data ID. Again press F4 to make it absolute. After changing it, comma, then exact match 0, then close this index method, comma, again match function, open it. For the lookup value, now we will select, for this column we will select name. Okay, we will leave it relative. Okay, for the department it will move to the department, it will move to the monthly salary. We will leave as it is. Okay, we will not make it absolute, comma, then our lookup array. For the lookup array, we will select this header of our data. So let's select it. After selecting it, now we will make it absolute also. Press F4. Okay, that has changed to absolute. Now press comma, then 0 for exact match, close index. Press enter. See, based on third, okay, third number ID, we have just found the name of the employee. Now let's drag it to the right side. Okay, this function. Or directly we found the department which is legal, and monthly salary, let's change it to the US dollar, for example. Okay, select it. 4,920. See this one. Let's change the ID. What happened? Okay, for example 7. See, based on 7, heater and accounting and 3125. Let's change it again. 3. First one. Okay, mark and human resource. This is the salary of that. So this was the usage of index and match function in MS Excel. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.